see some kiosks here. And as you see here, some eating and drinking. Containers, eating and drinking, food containers, food kiosk stalls over there.
These food stalls will give service soon.
And nine figures. By Mr. Energy Chan. And I'm Pro. This one is by Miss Helen Tan, King Yoneko. We see that Hong Kong KMB Bus Company, Couple Hat by Mr. Johnny Wong and Mr. Ray Chan, Daydreamer, Jessica Angie. Public toilets. Here before some people were sleeping overnight, but I think at the moment they removed, because I saw here before people's sleeping materials here before. By Kila Church. Yes. This is a playground here. People playing football and other sports activities in this area, as you can see. Let's keep walking to explore more. Because of the Ramadan, I think Indonesian people are resting until the breaking fasting, and And here we see the Hong Kong Central Library. We made a video about that before. All the trees were labeled. For example, this one is a royal palm called as the number 357. All are registered. For example, this one is Persimmon Lived Lycea. And here is the escalators to the bridge and connecting the Victoria Park and the Central Library of Hong Kong.